There's another update on the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park. Construction update. The carousel is still closed. They're doing a lot of work to it. I talked to the owner. I talked to one of the owners today. The owner told me the carousel will be open next year, 2022. Right now, they still got a lot of work to do. They had to paint the roof. So I want to give you an update. So today's June 19th, 2021. So I see the windows got added on. They added the lights on. They still doing a lot of work inside the carousel. So I see they doing work inside the carousel. They're putting new lights in there. They're building, like, making new panels. So they still got a lot of work. I see they added lights to the roof. They're supposed to paint the roof soon. I can't wait to see this. I can't wait to see how the carousel gonna look next year with new paint job, and I can't wait to see how they're gonna look inside. But this carousel been here since 1902, since the park been open. This is the oldest attraction in the park. This is one of my favorite attractions in the park. They still got a lot of work to do. I hope this ride could open at the end of the season, maybe fall, hopefully. But I see they put new lights on the carousel. But the carousel will be open next year. That's what the owner told me. But if there's any more updates on this carousel, I'll give you all some updates. They still got a lot of work on this building. So this is another construction update of the antique carousel at Canobie Lake Park. If there's any new updates on the carousel, I will let our guys know and give you all more footage of it. But the carousel will be open by next year. So they still got a lot of work on the carousel. Talked to the owner today. So today's June 19, 2021. Construction update. If you like the video, press like, share with your friends. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe. See you guys in the next update.